And Simone is from Patagonia, which is south of Argentina. And both are living in Paraguay. And it's a co-production of two countries, as I told you earlier. And the actress story is she's a big star in Argentina. And they are really pleased to participate in IFI. We'll hear from them. First, we'll have the opening remarks from both of them, and then we can have a round of question answers. Yes, please. Yes, Simone, you can start.
Thank
you. Opening remarks.
Que usted empiece.
Hablar sobre nosotros.
Sí.
Okay. Bueno, sí lo
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
¿Qué tal? Como se dice, muchas gracias por estar y como se dice, estamos felices en como se dice, poder estar con la película en competencia, con el festival que la haya tenido en cuenta. Así que estamos para cualquier pregunta o cualquier...
Hi, thank you so much. We are welcome you back again to be enjoying us to do a small brief about the movie. We are really glad that we are here during the competition for the Golden Peacock, and we're really excited and we're really looking forward.
Well, hi, I'm Lena Fernandez. I'm from Argentina too, but we are living in Paraguay. This is my first movie as a producer, so I'm very happy to be here. This is like a dream, make real. And well, we are here to listen. If you have any question, we are glad to answer you.
Yeah, please.
My first question is to Lena Fernandez.
Okay.
You're also the executive producer for the film.
Yes.
Besides being one of the co-producers of the film.
Yes.
Was this film mainly your idea or your concept, or was it somebody else's idea that you helped to produce?
Yes. In fact, it was the main idea was from Simon, and we are like the production house. So I manage mostly the legal part and administrative part, and the most artistic part was in the hand of Simon, which is my husband too. So he's the creative mind behind all of this movie.
My name is Siraj Sayyed. I'm India correspondent for filmfestivals.com, which is a Paris-based website. The next question is to Simon. Simon has experimented a lot in this film as a director. He has played with time, back and forth, characters, distance, all the various grammar of filmmaking he has used. Sometimes it gets a little bit difficult to follow because of the various levels at which it works. So what was the initial storyline? First work out a storyline and then do the screenplay? Or did the whole film come to you in one sequence?
Que hay como muchos temas que van y vienen del pasado al presente, como muchos niveles de interpretación que a veces es confuso seguir. Entonces, si vos como que tuviste una storyline inicial y después escribiste el guión y terminó siendo otra cosa, o si vino toda la película vos, que hubo varios.
Sí.
No, en realidad es como que la historia cuando la pensé en la cabeza, tiene como un ir y venir, digamos, en el presente y en el pasado, porque es un juego en lo que